Okay, so what I have with me here right now is the Colgate Classic Multi-Level Bristles Value Pack of Toothbrush. This is the soft toothbrushes, and it also has a tongue cleaner on it, if you can see that. If you didn't know, there are different kinds of toothbrushes. There's like soft ones, medium ones, rougher ones, like harder ones. And it just all depends on the type of like teeth and like gums and stuff that you have to which kind is going to be better for your teeth. And I like the soft ones because I have very sensitive gums and they bleed a lot if I have like different toothbrushes than like the softer ones. So what I'm going to start out by saying with this product is, as you can see, I already have one of them gone. And I use that toothbrush every day, and I just like this one because it's the value pack, so there's 2 of them in there, so you can literally give it to a friend or keep it for yourself so you don't have to go out and buy a new toothbrush again after you've used the other one for a while. And I just like this because, like I said, I have very sensitive gums and teeth and stuff like that, and brushing my teeth can become a very like sensitive process, and I just don't like how some toothbrushes will leave my gums feeling like they're throbbing and like they're bleeding and they're swollen and things like that. And that's what I like about Colgate toothbrushes, honestly, because when they say they're soft or medium or hard, they're really meaning like, this is a soft bristled toothbrush, this is a medium bristled toothbrush, this is a hard bristled toothbrush. And so when you're getting toothbrushes, you should really know what type of gums, like what type of toothbrushes your gums respond better or worse to, because it can really save you like so much like pain and stuff in the long run. I like how they're blue. My favorite color is blue. And so that really, I just really like that a lot. I mean, like, yeah, there's like yellow and stuff in there, but you know, it's a toothbrush. You know, you can't win everything. I actually was given these toothbrushes by a friend, not like these specific ones, but like the first time I bought these toothbrushes, I was given them by a friend, and she actually was like, hey, these are really good toothbrushes, I know your mouth is very sensitive. And so I was first given these type of toothbrushes by her, and she's like, yeah, you should try this out, this can work very well for you. They're the soft bristled ones and they're Colgate, so they work really well. And I was like, oh, okay, well, why not, let me try something, because you know, it doesn't hurt to try. And so I tried them out and I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, oh my gosh, this is so good. Like, there's a lot of things that I've tried and like trial and error, you know? And so I tried these and they work so well. She's like, yeah, I use these all the time too. I use the medium ones and they're so good for, you know, my teeth. And what I like about it is, since it is soft, I can still get up like inside of my gums and stuff like that. And I just like how it helps take all the plaque out with, you know, the toothpaste that I use, and it can really get up into my gums without making it painful for me to brush my teeth. And it just really helps me a lot in that aspect. They don't break easily, which I like, because I know there are some toothbrushes that like you bend them or like you push too hard and snap, there's your toothbrush, and you're like, wow, I was in the middle of brushing my teeth and now I have a broken toothbrush, and that's never fun. So I just really like that about this. Also, you can like use this toothbrush and you can push kind of hard, and you know, some toothbrushes, when you push hard, they like make your bristles like extend outward and like open outward, but these ones, they stay pretty intact for the most part. I went to buy these for a second pack. This is the second pack that I actually bought, and they weren't expensive. And you would think with like a name brand like Colgate that they would be on the expensive side, especially since the value pack of 2 but actually it was not expensive at all, and I really like that because nobody wants to spend a ton of money on, you know, a toothbrush and things like that. So I really just like this toothbrush for that aspect because I'm not trying to pay a ton of money for a toothbrush. I mean, yeah, I'll pay a little bit more just because, you know, I have sensitive gums and I'm not trying to have pain in my mouth whenever I'm brushing my teeth, so I will pay a little bit more for a toothbrush, but not like a super expensive type of thing to use it for. And the packaging is just like in this little plastic like cardboard thing what most toothbrushes come in, and it keeps it protected. So like if I were to just keep it in the bathroom in the little plastic, I'm pretty sure it's fine. Like, I don't know about like rules of the bathroom or anything like that, but it's just in this plastic here. I use this toothbrush every time I brush my teeth. Obviously I use it every day, all the time. Not this one, but the other one that it came in. And I use it every time I brush my teeth, and I've had little to no like pain while brushing my teeth. I mean, like I said, my gums are very sensitive, so you know there's still a little pain every once in a while, like from me brushing my teeth, but for the most part, you know, when you brush your teeth and you keep them clean, like it's not, you're pretty good. Like you're not gonna have a lot of pain and stuff in there. So I just like that about this toothbrush. Again, this is just the Colgate. This is the classic multi-level bristles with the value pack that have come with 2 brushes.